I'm Arianne Bellizaire of Arianne Bellizaire Interiors and founder of the blog Inspired to Style. I spend my days helping clients create beautiful spaces that they love, but now I want to take you on a ride with me as I renovate my family's new house. Let's go. During this series, you'll get to meet the most important people in my life, my family. There's my husband, Reggie.
My name is Arianne Bellizaire. I will be the assistant project manager.
My adorable son, Sebastian.
My name is Sebastian. My job is to do demo.
And my beautiful daughter, Lauren.
My name is Lauren. My job is to decorate my bedroom.
Each week as you watch along, you'll see everything from the design to the demo, product selection to the renovations, and of course those finishing touches that complete this amazing transformation. But first, I'll have to manage my most demanding clients yet. I'm most excited to see this home transform into what I know it can be.
I'm most excited about my room.
I'm most excited about getting this whole project done.
Obviously, Lauren's bedroom should be the best room in the house.
As you can see, we've got a lot of work cut out for us. But I hope you'll stick with us and watch as we transform this outdated house into the perfect family home.
And thanks for watching the video. Make sure to subscribe to the channel. Bye.
Action.
I will be the assistant project manager.
Are you glad your mom is the designer of this house?
Co-financer, assistant general contractor, the janitor, construction labor helper,
None of us know.
and whatever else that needs to be done.
Then you don't get your ice cream.